What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the filler to fill the break top three win, getting us. Actually, it's been a long time. I need to go live. 6:05. Um, this wasn't. This isn't what I was thought I was. Is it? All right. 6:05. Sorry about that. Get a new list. Kyle on top, Grant on the bottom. Kyle on top, Grant on the bottom. 3 times top three win. 1, 2. Grant has the top 2. What am I doing? First timestamp 6:06. It is 6:06, and then third and final time. What is happening right now? Sorry. Third and final time. Good luck. Top three win. Grant, Ethan, and Grant. So Grant, you get. Let's see here. You get Buffalo, Kinger. You get the Capitals. There you go. And Grant, Minnesota. Congrats.